Hello, Brad here from 999 KnowHow. In this video, I'll be talking about the digestive system. So, let's get started. The digestive system is like a complex factory, processing food into energy and nutrients. It starts at the mouth and ends at the anus, with several important stops along the way. Let's look at the main components. The mouth, where mechanical digestion begins. The esophagus, or food pipe, where food travels down. The stomach, where acid breaks down food. The small intestine, where most nutrient absorption happens. The large intestine, where water absorption and waste formation happens. The digestion system also has several accessory organs, and they are the liver, which assists with the digestion of food by producing bile to break down fats, remove toxins, and break down and store some vitamins and minerals. The gallbladder, which stores the bile that's produced by the liver. The pancreas, which produces enzymes which help break down proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Let's apply some of this knowledge to common emergency medical scenarios, which could include gastrointestinal bleeding or GI bleed. Signs and symptoms of this include vomiting blood, having black tarry stools, and having severe abdominal pain. Bowel obstruction, and the signs and symptoms of this could include severe abdominal pain, vomiting, and constipation. Pancreatitis, which is inflammation of the pancreas, and signs and symptoms of this could include upper abdominal pain, which radiates to the back, nausea and vomiting. Let's look at some key terms related to the digestive system. Dysphagia, which means difficulty with swallowing. Hematemesis, which means vomiting blood. Melena, which means to have black or tarry stools. Peritonitis, which means inflammation of the abdominal lining. And ascites, which means fluid accumulation in the abdomen. Let's quickly recap the points covered in this short video. The digestive system runs from the mouth to the anus. Key organs of the digestive system include the mouth, the esophagus, the stomach, the intestines, and accessory organs which are the liver, the gallbladder, and the pancreas. Common medical emergencies include GI bleeding, bowel obstructions, and pancreatitis. Key medical terminology include dysphagia, hematemesis, melena, peritonitis, and ascites. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you understand the digestive system a little better. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us on social media for more emergency medical content. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment below.